Yeah. Greetings, man. Rastafari. Crime and violence to everywhere, man. You know, see it. You know, see it. I'm telling you about what going on, the incident. Watch carefully with the incident what's going on in London. I don't have video feed, but some like the argument that I want to research. So I say, but you see, we have the Yang Yang them in Jamaica where everybody are complaining about so the Yang Yang them for ban and thing like that. Yeah, quickly. We can't ban the Yang Yang them. Don't ban them. Them very needed and necessary. A long time Jamaica need them there. What we need to do is regulate the speed of the Yang Yang them, which the government can easily do. You understand what I say? Regulate the speed of the Yang Yang them. If a guy manage to get female and go faster, you know say, yeah, I wanted man that we are go for him. If him wanted feet and make the penalty, the punishment high feet. For change the speed of the Yang Yang because we know the intent behind it. You understand? A basic criminal intent, so a robbery or murder or something like that, now use it do. So boom, we are sending out prison. But the Yang Yang them necessary, we need them. I see them in London, them, you have the youth, them have the scooter them where them put on the helmet them and just ride around the city, grab the best phone, them grab chain, grab billfold, rob it down, shut it down, whatever. I see him way going in London, a coronavirus cool it down. Me, I tell you now, I am there and live. Every day up on the news. Sometimes them not like show things were going in one region nationally, but more time when the incident gets so overpowering, them have to expose it. You get what I say? So a lot of crime and thing are going in enough little corner, but what them do is show that little corner the damn news, then show that little corner the fake news, so everybody not get to see and know what going on everywhere. You know, see, if you have links or connection or they said the internet are messed up nowadays, so them all start push it and make people start know. You know, say the youth them a hell of London when they come out, when you see two man come on a scooter in the helmet, man, just watch yourself, pull up, you know, see, because you don't know what will happen next. You know, see, a coronavirus calm down all of that. You don't see it first. Yeah, that's the far right. Well, condolences to a police officer who died recently where BAN man killed, you know, and the police officer who died in London, can't remember his name, can't remember them name either. You know, see, but you don't know all unfortunate circumstances because when a condole the taking of no life. You know, see, yeah, big up Rasta you know, see, yeah, alright. A police officer, a Jamaican man telling this, a police officer dead in London the other day in Croydon, seen, in at the police station. This is what happened. Him see a youth on the road, stop him, search him, check him for drugs, check him for knife, and check him for everything and like that and them little thing there. Seen, and find most of them thing upon him. Seen, so him arrest him and take him in at the police station. Seen, handcuff him and behind him and thing like that. While the man there behind him and everything. I hope we get the space and the chance to show an illustration. Yeah. Yeah. Seen? So, him shot the policeman in his chest. I heard, from when we see some little sketches, them will show you how the incident happened. It happened that's the man handcuffed behind him. See him? He had the gun in his waist. Behind him. See him? So him just ease out the gun with the man handcuffed behind him and bow, shoot the police. I don't know how close they were or what. I mean, you see him try to kill a couple more police officers and it sounds like him attempt to kill himself after as well. You understand? In London, where you don't know intelligence, expertise, and everything like that is the best in the world in terms of police protocols and action and things like that. See, these things happen. See? Further to the police, the young police youth were dead around our west there. I can't remember him. It was BAN man killed. See? BAN Waste. BAN Waste his name, yeah. BAN Waste. I wonder if I left off the man. Rotted. BAN Waste man. Cause a waste man that kill a police youth. I'm not telling a lie. You know see, cause no matter what go on in every society you have to have police now, you have to have law and order, so it's a chaos. I tell you that. You know see, you gotta be a BAN man I go on, BAN Waste I go on, BAN Waste man I go on around the place. You know see, cause you can see police a come up the road, no matter where you there, somebody gonna tell you say police a come. Cause other people that know you have your gun. That just keep eruption going and you alone stand up there. If you alone stand up there, your eye is supposed to be everywhere. If it's not there everywhere, BAN Waste man. You know see, you have your gun under your arm and policeman drive up on you. See? Or however you have it in your car, brief me so you have on. You know see? and you shoot the youth in the face, you wait upon the youth and kill him. You shouldn't get for run off. That may I try to show you too. You shouldn't get for run off the same place that's why you should have drop. You know what happened? At the same youth gun him body should have react when you shoot him. And him gun just go off and kill you back before you could have leave the spot. I tell you that, Bona man, anyway you're there. Listen that. You know see it? And so for the rest of you know, we get inspiration from Bon Waste man. Remember me telling you, same faithful and the same expectation and hopes. You know see cause now waste man. You had up on corner in your underpants with gun in your hand. And you see police are come and when you shoot the youth for you just dead. Yeah, when you don't have them intention, them and enough about to shoot back, nobody pick them and enough for just dead. Just show them the gun and dead. You know see, because one of the things you know, you see the police them, because them know say the consequence for gun and thing like that. No so wicked like back in the day. The police them condition them mind and that sense like brother a youth have a gun and him say police are coming down and go bother in a whole for shooting because just 2 years that. Yeah, a small sentence that or matter of fact him a get bail. Cause the other day when a 3 gun him get all within the space of 2 years. You understand what I say and come out and bail him depend when them kill him with more gun. You know see it? So at that I saw the system set up down there when it come on to the punishment and the consequence of gun. So when a youth claim say I take on the authority and law enforcement like that, him decide for put female out there and dead. Because no matter what go on, you not train like them man there. Number 2, no can't carry gun like them man there. Every day when I make pivotal mistake with a carry around a gun, which I won't go into, where it critical to no survival. Every single day with the care on the gun and make some simple mistake. We're critical to no survival. You understand? It give the police them about a 50% chance of being more accurate. The police, the authorities them. You know see it? Yeah. Left that there so we're not going into that no further. You know see it? So respectfully, we not plan to give on the life. Alright. Again, police. You know what Jamaica Police Force Charter? Jamaica Police Force Charter, the use and the knowledge of local experts, regardless of their education and standard. Quickly, now I'm going to 2 police officers from my experience. One named Mr. Powell from Rockfort. I don't know if I'm an inspector now or which rank him there. The man that deserve top rank. See? Another one named Mr. McGregor. Yeah, I know Mr. McGregor superintendent or acting superintendent now. Big respect, sir. You know, see it? Age, experience taught me wisdom and knowledge. Sir, I'm going to tell you this. You said reach out when you see. You did a reach out to the youth them where a step in rather than kill them off. Me have more than one experience can do. I'm going to do some video too and share some experience about your tactics them in a calming down chaos. You know see it? Because yeah, as a big man now when I look back and I give thanks, you know see it. Yes, Rasta. You know see it. Some police, you like Mr. McGregor and Mr. Powell, them man that should have teach police tactics how to be diplomatic within the community and know structure. The man that can look on a man from far and know if he have a gun on him, you know. The man that know no matter how you move and you disappear obviously. Enough man disappear before them come, but when you see you next time, he must tell you say, hey boy, I know where you do that day there, I see him and hey, I want him to know, hey, you think, you get what I say? And furthermore, I dig you down to whenever where him see after him, I dig you down and press you because he knows say, in the sea with that thing, he not take it to the level where or the extreme where I put you in your position but make you uncomfortable. That means so you don't do that. You know, you just know say you mark. You don't see it. And him not do it disrespectfully. I'm not boy you up and put you down and nothing like that. You know what? You still admire the way I'm daily do. You don't see it because you all have been up his split when you see him come and you just know say boy, I better me just dash you this, you know, car. Aye. Seriously. You don't see it. So you need more of them police and community interaction there. They don't know where them man they get it from, but During the era there, the man there and them police that was afraid. And the only police them that want to deal with the thing, so I don't know where them come from, if them a labor right, PNP or what, but I know them wasn't politically motivated with them action. Them man they just have a different approach, a different strategy. You know, see it, and I wish them all the best. I not tell them seriously, honorably wish them all the best in them pursuit. You know, see it. But the point I'm going to try and make again overall, crime and violence to everywhere. You know, see it. Because I see me with the young them. The youth them